9 pickup truck engines that last forever. Ever dreamed of buying a truck just once and driving it for decades? Some engines are so bulletproof they become legendary for their ability to rack up hundreds of thousands, even millions of miles. Today we're counting down the 9 most reliable pickup truck engines ever made, the absolute tanks of the automotive world that refuse to quit. Number 9, Nissan 5.6-liter V8, the unsung hero of the pickup world. Nissan's 5.6-liter V8. This power plant has been the heart of the Titan since 2004, serving faithfully for nearly 2 decades until the Titan's discontinuation in 2024. What makes this engine special? For starters, it's been described by owners as damn near bulletproof. One 2005 Armada owner reported hitting 270,000 miles with just regular maintenance. The VK56VD version features an aluminum alloy block with Nissan's VVEL technology, which boosts efficiency without compromising durability. Unlike some other Nissan engines, the 5.6-liter V8 avoids the notorious gallery gasket issues that have plagued their V6 lineup. This reliability hasn't gone unnoticed. CarBuzz recently named the Titan our most reliable pickup, with the 2022 model achieving an impressive 80 out of 100 reliability score from J.D. Power. Number 8, Ford 4.6-liter modular V8. This engine might be the definition of slow and steady wins the race. Ford's 4.6-liter modular V8 engine powered F-150s from 1997 to 2004 and again from 2009 to 2010. While some have described it as gutless but dead reliable, that reliability is exactly why it makes our list. What's impressive is how many of these engines surpassed 300,000 miles, especially in the Crown Victoria Police Interceptors, which were basically abused daily and still kept ticking. In truck applications, the cast iron block variant offered exceptional durability, and the engine's nearly square cylinder geometry contributed to smooth, balanced operation. The 4.6 liters modular design facilitated consistent manufacturing quality, while modern features like fuel injection and coil unplug ignition systems enhanced reliability. This engine family wasn't just reliable, it was award-winning, with the modular V8 series collecting Ward's 10 Best Engines awards a staggering 12 times. Number 7, Chevrolet 5.3-liter V8 Ecotec 3. The 5.3-liter V8 has been Chevrolet's workhorse for over 2 decades, powering the Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500 since 1999. Its foundation in the well-established small-block Chevy design gives it excellent DNA for reliability. The 2007 and 2012 year models are particularly noted for their dependability, with the 2007 earning a 4 out of 5 reliability rating from Consumer Reports. One mechanic even claimed the L83 version, 2015 to 2023, is the most reliable gas engine in any half-ton truck. Not all years were perfect. Some models equipped with active fuel management or dynamic fuel management experienced lifter failures, but the engine's continuous refinement over 20-plus years of production has cemented its reputation as a tank. The accolades back this up. The 2015 Silverado 1500 was named Most Dependable Full-Size Light-Duty Pickup by J.D. Power in 2018. Number 6, Toyota 4.7-liter V8. Toyota's legendary build quality shines in their 4.7-liter V8, which powered the Tundra from 2000 all the way to 2021. The 2UZFE's high-strength cast iron block gives this engine exceptional durability, and its balanced power output reduces stress on internal components. Consumer Reports consistently rated Tundra models with 2UZFE engine highly for reliability and owner satisfaction. The 2003 Tundra received a perfect score in both categories. What's truly impressive are the mileage reports. Many owners have surpassed 400,000 miles, with some documented cases exceeding 1 million miles without major issues. A 2006 Tundra owner reported reaching 215,000 miles with only routine maintenance, while a Sequoia owner with the same engine hit 325,000 miles with 0 problems. The 2005 upgrade added VVTi technology, further improving both power and efficiency without sacrificing the engine's bulletproof reliability. We've covered some incredibly reliable engines so far, but we're just getting to the real legends. These next 5 engines are in a league of their own when it comes to durability. Before we reveal our top 5, take a second to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss our upcoming videos about engines and maintenance tips that can help your vehicle hit that million-mile mark. Number 5, Chevrolet 6.0-liter V8 Vortec. Reliable as an anvil is how owners often describe Chevy's 6.0-liter Vortec. This powerhouse served in both light-duty and heavy-duty Chevrolet and GMC trucks from 1999 to 2018, showcasing its versatility and dependability across different applications. The 6.0-liter consistently delivered strong performance even in demanding conditions. One 2005 model owner reported 188,000 miles with no oil consumption issues, while another 2007 owner logged 250,000 hard-working miles with minimal problems. What's particularly impressive is this engine's capacity for modification. Many enthusiasts have successfully boosted output to over 500 horsepower without compromising reliability. Its robust internal design, coupled with being part of GM's proven small block engine family, gives it excellent longevity credentials. On KBB, the 2006 Silverado 2500 HD with this engine received an outstanding 4.8 out of 5 for reliability from owners. Number 4, Duramax 6.6-liter V8. Now we're entering diesel territory with the Duramax 6.6-liter V8, specifically the LBZ generation produced from 2006 to mid-2007. Despite its relatively short production run, this engine has achieved legendary status among diesel enthusiasts. What makes the LBZ special? For starters, its robust engine block features enhanced webbing in the main bearing areas and taller main bearing caps. The connecting rods are beefier and less prone to failure. It also utilizes a higher pressure common rail fuel system with upgraded fuel rails and larger injectors. Critically, the LBZ was the last Duramax that didn't require diesel exhaust fluid, avoiding the problems that plagued later models. It was also the first paired with the durable 6-speed Allison 1000 automatic transmission, a match made in heaven. These factors have made LBZ-powered trucks highly sought after, commanding premium prices on the used market even today. Number 3, Ford 300 Inline-6 4.9 liters. Sometimes simpler is better. The Ford 300 cubic inch straight-six powered F-Series trucks from 1965 to 1996, an incredible 31-year production run that speaks volumes about its reliability. This engine wasn't winning any horsepower wars, but it absolutely dominated in durability. Its cast iron block and cylinder head, simple overhead valve design, 7 main bearings, and gear-driven timing system, no chain or belt to brake, created a recipe for exceptional longevity. Owners routinely report these engines surpassing 300,000 miles, with many reaching 500,000 or more with basic maintenance. The 300's incredible tolerance for abuse meant it could survive conditions that would destroy other engines. It earned the number 4 spot in On All Cylinders' top 10 engines of all time, and was featured in Top Speed's 10 inline-6 engines with downright impressive reliability. Its reputation is so strong that many believe the rest of the truck would rust away before the engine failed. Number 2, Ram Cummins 5.9-liter diesel. The partnership between Dodge, Ram, and Cummins created a diesel legend. From 1989 to 2007, the 5.9-liter Cummins diesel powered Ram trucks with unmatched reliability and torque. Both the earlier 12-valve, 1989 to 1998, and later 24-valve common rail iterations, 2003 to 2007, earned devoted followings. The inline-6 design is inherently balanced and robust, featuring a cast-iron block and head with forged steel connecting rods. The earlier 12-valve versions are particularly prized for their mechanical simplicity, making them easier to maintain and modify. With proper care, these engines routinely last 300,000 miles or more. But the ultimate testament to this engine's durability? Howard Clayton's 2000 Dodge Ram, which racked up an astounding 2.6 million miles, enough to circle the Earth more than 100 times. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our number 1 spot goes to this next engine so legendary that owners regularly post 6-figure mileage updates like badges of honor. Some have even reached the million-mile club with nothing more than basic maintenance. If you're looking for a truck that your grandkids might inherit someday, this is the one. Number 1, Ford Powerstroke 7.3-liter diesel. The king of reliability, Ford's 7.3-liter Powerstroke diesel, produced by International Navistar from 1994 to 2003, has achieved mythical status among truck enthusiasts. This engine is frequently described as having bulletproof reliability and exceptional durability. What makes it so special? Its simple design and conservative power rating mean less stress on components. Most models lack complex emission controls like EGR and DPF that cause problems in modern diesels. The robust HEUI fuel injection system system, sourced from Caterpillar, proved incredibly durable despite its complexity. The engine features a strong cylinder head design with 6 head bolts per cylinder, a reliable fixed geometry turbocharger, and an efficient external oil cooler for better heat management. Odometer readings between 300,000 and 500,000 miles are common, with many documented cases exceeding 1 million miles. Diesel Power magazine ranked it among the top 10 diesel engines ever produced, and even professional overlanders choose it for globe-trotting expeditions where reliability is literally a matter of survival. That's why the Ford Powerstroke 7.3-liter diesel deserves the #1 spot on our list of pickup truck engines that last forever. Which of these engines have you owned? Drop a comment below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more automotive content designed for real truck enthusiasts. Watch my video, 20 Worst Trucks That Nobody Buys According to Consumer Reports, and see what to avoid in your next purchase.